Well, Rocky's off to a lead. There's Ethan coming in second. Oh, this is what we do in Ashland, Arkansas when we're bored on a Friday night. Look at man, Ethan's getting with it. Ethan's getting with it. All right, let's see if we can catch up to him. Okay, bubs. Here they come. Round the bend. Ethan's still in second place, but he said he's going to put it in 7th gear. And here he comes flying around Rocky. They're racing. Kale, stay over here out of the way. And Ethan's winning! This is hilarious. Here they come. That was great, guys. Ethan, the winner!
Woohoo, I won the tractor race.
Won the tractor race! I won! You gonna sing Big Green Tractor now?
He like goes around it like a mile an hour.
Y'all are crazy.